Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, girl. So as you guys see by the title, we have another foundation review, and this one is from Shiseido. Hope I'm saying this correctly. If you never heard about this brand, this is a Japanese brand. This is a Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting. It also has SPF 30 and it's oil free. Now, I tried out the other one in the other video and I did not like this foundation at all. This is here. I'm still trying to figure out if I should return this. Okay, so this is the one that I tried out in my last video. This is a self-refreshing. This is more for oily skin. You guys gonna like this, but for us, girl, no, I don't recommend this. So hopefully my dry skin girls will like this. This is for combination dry skin and it is a medium coverage, okay? You could only find this on the Sephora website, or they have it on their website if you guys wanna, pick it up from there. So this is a radiant finish, long wearing, and it's also hydrating, okay? A luminous foundation that hydrates for up to 24 hours and adapts to your skin for a medium to full coverage with radiant finish. Oh, I didn't even know it was full coverage. I thought it was just only medium. Okay. So the first one, it looks a little lighter. This one looks a little bit more darker. And I'm gonna just show you guys just for reference, because I have it here. So if you guys trying to figure it out, you could see. This is a self-refreshing one. You see how it's pretty light, okay? And this is the other one. You see the difference? Okay. Both of them is 510 Suede, okay? Even though it says Suede, this one is a little bit more darker. So I think the shade range in this one is a little bit rough. So I'm really excited to try this out for our dry skin. It says shake well before use, so I'm gonna do that. So if this is your first time here, thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, girl, you will be notified. Okay, so I don't really have anything on my face. I don't have any primer, no moisturizers, nothing. My skin is just really, really dry today. So I'm gonna use the same primer in this video. I used the same primer in the last video and we'll see. Now with the other video, girl, I didn't like it because it was really, really patchy. I didn't like the way it looks on my skin. If you have oily skin, you will like it. I just don't like how it looks. Very patchy. So I'm hoping this work really good. And also, we still have that mark on our face right here, girl. I'm gonna put some aloe on it tonight. Hopefully that it, the mark goes down. I'm trying to get rid of those marks on my face. I want to get a chemical peel because I've seen a lot of people who does like the chemical peels. Their skin look really good after they do the chemical peel, but I gotta make sure that I'm not working, I'm not going anywhere, I don't have anything to do, girl, because this peeling is serious, okay? I just want good skin. Why not? And I drink a lot of water. That's the problem. Sometimes I feel like, why am I drinking all this water and I still have this problem? Why? I'm gonna put a little bit more because it's a little bit drying because I didn't really have anything on my face. I came on camera ashy, girl. So I don't know if this is gonna be my last video for the year, but I'm really excited for 2022. Yes, there's a lot that's going on right now. We have another virus, but protect yourself. I'm scared because, as I told you guys in my last video, I had COVID last year and it is the worst experience, girl. This thing is bad. Girl, I need to wash my brushes. This is my New Year resolution, to wash my brushes. This is crazy. I don't have any brush. So I forgot to even show you guys. It's like the last video, okay? I love the bottle though, really cute. To open it, you just turn it, okay? This is to lock it. And you turn it like this. Yeah, so I think this is the one that I tried out at the store. And immediately when I tried it on my neck, I love the way it looks on my neck. Whenever you're trying out a new foundation, try the neck. It works, girl. I really think I did good for the shade match. Like, girl, look at this. This is thicker. Okay, I like this one better. I could tell, like, just the texture of the foundation, it looks way much better. Beautiful finish. Look at this, how it's covering up. Oh, The shade range is a little bit more better for dark skin, but I will see if I like it, because you know, I'm just putting this on my face. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, how it's gonna work with my dry skin. You know, the other one, it said it was for all skin type. This one is more hydrating and is for dry skin. I really do like the shade. The shade look really good. I'm hoping that I don't have the same experience with with this one. Okay, so this is the best time to see if this is gonna cover my little spot there. With the other foundation, girl, that did not cover anything. Well, it just covered a little bit. I won't say anything, but this one has a little bit more coverage. I like it. I love the coverage. Look at this, girl. This is a full coverage. I think I found my foundation, girl. Ooh, love. Yep, this is for dry. And my eyebrows is all messed up, girl. I can't be bothered. This is really good. Like, I love it. Like, look at this. It should look good, right? Yep. But I'm loving this because of the coverage. It looks so, so pretty. What do you guys think about the shade? Let me know what you guys think. I like it. Well, the new year is almost here with a couple days. And I am so excited. Oh gosh, I'm so excited for next year. So we almost there. The girl 2021 is almost done. Like, if it's just me, I feel like 2021 just came, she showed herself and she's gone. This was really fast. Like, this year was really fast. Let me know what you guys think. I just think so. Just the other day, I was in the Caribbean having fun. Now all of a sudden that we're still on lockdown. We still can't do certain things. It's just a mess. Girl, I don't know. When it comes to this vaccine and stuff, like, I don't mind taking the vaccine. No, I'm not vaccinated yet because I had a few surgeries and I have to talk to my doctor pertaining the vaccine. I will get it, and I just want to be safe. So I rather talk to my doctor to make sure I'm good before I decide to take it. You know, I just want to make sure that I'm good. But the world has changed, and I don't think 2022 will be any better, because every time we turn around, man made this whole thing. It's just one after the other. When we think that, you know, we doing good, you know, we moving on, and then boom, there's another virus out there. When I had the virus last year, it was bad. And I'm not trying to get it. My New Year's resolution is to continue doing me. What I want to do for the new year, I also want to stay off social media a little bit, because I feel like social media is so toxic. So I may not be posting too much on my Instagram, because I feel like Instagram don't really do anything for me. Yes, I like it. You know, I go there and I check, you know, other stuff. You know, I'm on social media because I have YouTube. I feel like if I didn't have YouTube, I would not be on social media, because it really don't excite me. Facebook used to excite me when it first came out. You know, I used to be in this group, this writing poetry group, but now everything has changed. Facebook changed, so we don't really do this anymore, and I really don't write as before. But I want to focus more on myself. Not saying that I don't focus on myself, but I feel like I give social media too much of my time. Girl, I'm always on my phone. What I want to do for next year, I want to stay up the gossip sites. It's the shade room. I'm always on the shade room. I think the shade room is very toxic too. There's other things that I want to do for the new year. I don't like to talk about it because you never know what's going to happen. Things change, but I have it in the universe that these are the things that I want to do. One I'm really excited about is finishing college. Like I told you guys, I have one more class to finish, girl. Whoa, girl, that's what I'm excited about. Girl, I am so happy. I'm not going back. I don't care. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not going back. Girl. I had enough. I don't care. Like, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't like school that much. Like, the hell? Like, no. Just a little bronze, you know, soften up a little bit. Oh, we didn't set. Girl, we forgot to set, girl. I'm using this Aloe Glow Halo Glow setting powder. This is from ELF. Okay, you know, social media is okay, you know, it's good because you know what's going on, you see what's going on. I don't really like watching the news. I just feel like the news is too toxic as well. I don't like it. I have a TV and it's like the TV watch itself because I never watch TV. You will never see me watching TV. I'll be on my phone. This is the problem. So that's what I'm working on. I just want to focus more on myself. There's other things that you could do instead of being on social media too much. Girl, and this generation, people, they're just too much. They're just too sensitive. I remember growing up, we didn't have all these things. We didn't have no cell phone. When I came in America, I had my first cell phone, which was an AT&T flip phone. And girl, I was happy. But social media got so big, I stopped reading books. I used to read books a lot, and when I was at my mom's house, my mom still have our books from since junior high school and stuff because you know my mom, she don't like throwing away things, and I have so much books at my mom's house. Even though I read them before, I picked some out that I want to start reading because I said to myself for the new year I actually want to focus more on reading. I actually love this foundation. It looks so good, girl. Look at this. Like, it looks so much better than the first one. It covers everything. I got a full coverage, okay? I didn't get a medium, I get a full. And I like full coverage just to see how it looks, if I could wear it on its own. This is hydrating. Y'all know me. When I say I like something, I like it. And I'm not gonna stop talking about it. I am impressed with this. Like, you see that glow? Girl, this is Suede, and this is the powder foundation. Okay, so I'm going to put that all over. So another thing that I want to focus on my health. I've been doing really good for the year, but I want to do more. So I'm taking up the shine a little bit. That is fine. But as you guys see, like, it's really hydrating. This is definitely for our dry skin, and it just looks so beautiful on the skin. I am going to keep this one. So this is the Walk of No Shame blush. Okay, this is it here. I'm going to put it on the bones, on the cheekbones. And this brush here is like really old. I don't know where I got this from. I had this when I didn't have no YouTube or anything, you know. I think I got this from the 9-cent store. That was a long time ago, girl. And it still works. Girl, you can't tell my brush is anything. I have a lot of brushes, so I don't need to, you know, wash brushes all the time. We're just gonna take a little bit and just put on here. And this brush is really good for my blush, okay? It just pack on the product really nice. Like, see, give it a nice glow as well because it has this little glow thing in the middle. Very pretty. I'm not gonna spray the face. I want to see how this looks on its own, and this look good. I don't really need to do anything else. This is a great foundation. I love it, and it covers good. Okay, I'm gonna use this blush here because this is what's in front of me and I'm not getting up. There's no way I'm happening. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is a brownie bar. Okay, so I'm gonna use this mascara. This is the best mascara, okay? This is from L'Oreal. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I still have a little mascara on because I was outside, girl. I love to wear my little mascaras, even though I wear masks and people only see my eyes have to look good, girl. So I had a little bit mascara on there, so that's why it looks like that. So if you guys are hearing this little clicking, I have TMJ. I never knew what it was until I started getting really bad pain in my jaw. So I went to a specialist and they told me I have TMJ. So it's been a while. Like, every time I start doing a video, I always start hearing that clicking noise. It's like annoying. So if you guys hear that, that's what it is. So I wear a night guard every night just to, you know, try to get my jaw back together. My doctor did tell me that if I don't fix this problem when I get older, I'm gonna have arthritis in my jaw. And I was like, we're not having that. So I wear a night guard every night. It's right on my bedstand. Hearing it, girl, that's what it is. And it takes a while to go away. I have no control over that. It's bad. Like, I have it in this ear, I could hear it, and sometimes it goes in this ear. Girl, a lot happened. A lot been happening, but I really thank God for life. Okay, so I don't know what lipstick I want to use. I really like Juvia's Place, but I'm looking at this one here. This is from Black Radiance, and I love this color. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but Let's see. I'm gonna use this pencil here. This is from Juvia's Place. These are one of my favorites. I use it all the time. This is Cola. This is one of the brown lip pencil. And then I want to go in with this nice color. This is from Black Radiance. I don't even know the color. Oh, First Lady, okay? And sometimes, girl, what I do, I have clear lip gloss, but they're all the way over there. I have my Vaseline in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys what I do, and I'm being straight up. I just take a little bit and I put on the back of my hand like this. Because if you don't have money to mix whatever you want to mix, girl, Vaseline, I use Vaseline for everything. I just take a little bit and put on here. You know, just to get a little shine. Nothing wrong with using Vaseline. Who knows? Well, you know now, but that's what I do. So you don't need to buy lip gloss, the clear lip gloss. Look at this. Use your Vaseline and you're good. Yep. It looks really nice. As you guys can see, you get a full coverage or medium coverage. I like this one better than the self-refreshing because of the undertone. It just works really better for me. And I love the fact that I get a full coverage. I use a little bit of the concealer under the eyes and it looks way much better than the other one that I use. You could tell like under my eyes, yes, I have wrinkles under my eyes, just a little bit, but she look good. You probably won't like this foundation or you probably like the other one. It all depends on what you like, and it works really good with other products, okay? And this is the products that I always use, okay? And it looks so good, girl. Look, okay, like my eyebrows is all messed up, girl. I've been doing videos all day. I'm tired, okay? The foundation really settled into the skin really good. So if you have dry skin, I recommend that you guys try this one out. If you like full coverage, just like myself, and you have all this crazy stuff on your face like myself, get this, okay? This is great and it matches my neck good, girl. You see this? Oh yeah, girl. So we're also gonna continue with the goal for 2022. We have to make that goal. I don't really care how long it takes to get to 4,000 subscribers, but we will continue sharing the video. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and to my OGs, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, bye guys.